Welcome to my channel, Living Your Best Life, and I'm Cindy Smaha, and today I am really excited because it's that time again. Battle of the Boxes! Between IPSY and Allure. Before we get into all this fun, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Click that little bell right next to it so you'll be notified of all my future uploads. And if you like my video, please give me a thumbs up. That does help my channel to grow. And leave me a comment. Maybe you get these beauty boxes already and what you found works for you. So let's get into this. If you're not familiar with the Battle of the Boxes on my channel, what I do is I do head-to-head quality between IPSY and Allure. Both of them are monthly beauty subscription boxes, and everything beauty is in there, including hair care, skin care, makeup, all sorts of things. And the only difference with them is that Allure does more of the travel size and trial size, where IPSY is all full-size products. So there are some full-size products in Allure as well, but I do like being able to sample some of the products before I buy the full size. So that's really nice for me. So let's get into Allure first. Buxom Powerline Plumping Lip Liner in High Def Honey. This is really good. I've got it on today. It's a really nice sort of neutral brown tannish, so it just fits right in with my lipstick I chose. But it also has a little brush at the end in order to feather it out, which I really like. It's got a little bit larger applicator on the other end. It's a triangle, which is nice, so you can use the larger end to get more surface area, and then the smaller end to do precision. So I really like this, and this was $22. Naked Sundays SPF 50 Collagen Glow 100% Mineral Sunscreen. I really love it that more things are coming out with sunscreen, and this is more of a lotion than a primer or anything like that. Ooh, it's pretty thick and heavy, which I guess is good if it's an SPF. You can see it's just a little shiny, melts into the skin pretty well. But a lot of products are coming out with SPF 50 concealers, foundations, tinted moisturizers, primers. So that's what I really like about this, is that you can layer up your SPF on your face. So love this. This is $34. Truly Vanilla Baby Luxury Body Oil, $30. This is so cool. I love this. You see the packaging? I mean, it's so bougie. I just love that. This also is pretty thick, but it's an oil based, and it's got, which I love this, it's got like a shiny, it's not really glitter, it's just shiny on there. And this is going to look really beautiful in the summertime when I need to work on my tan. Put it on my skin if I wear short sleeves and stuff like that, or my legs. I think that would look really nice, be able to accentuate my tan. So love this. There's no smell. Well, maybe a vanilla. Yeah, I guess a vanilla smell. But so far, pretty cool. I like it. That was $30. Luna Nectar Neptune Hyaluronic Acid Hydrate and Blur Serum, $39. This is so bougie. This is just so bougie. I love this. It's liquid, or more of a serum kind of liquid, and it's sort of blue in color, but I just really love it. I haven't really used it on my face yet. I've put it on my hand a couple of times, and I really like how soft it makes my hand, the skin, and just beautiful. Glides right on, just sinks right into my skin, so I'm excited about being able to use this. And this is also $39. Over again. The last two things in the Allure box is shampoo and conditioner from Maria Nilla Head and Hair Heal Shampoo and Conditioner. Each of these are $10. I haven't used these yet, but I'm really excited, and maybe you haven't noticed that this is not a wig, this is my real hair. I know I'm so excited that my hair has grown back and is growing more since I stopped the chemo, so I'm really excited being able to spike this up. I'm going to practice a little bit later and figure out how I really want to style my hair, because I do love a nice spiky kind of short hair pixie haircut. So we'll see. I sort of puffed it up in the back, as you can tell. So I'm so happy I get hair again. Yay! The total retail price of the Allure box was $145. Now let's get into the IPSY box. Alamar Cosmetics Kunga Black and Brown Eyeliners, $15. So this is just a set of black and brown eyeliners. I have not used that yet, but that's mostly the eyeliners that I use are typically brown, maybe some black or gray. So I'm excited to be able to try this one. Danessa Myricks Beauty Yummy Skin Lift and Flex Concealer, $30. I'm really picky when it comes to concealers because not all concealers are the same. And with my crow's feet, you know, my fine lines and that, I really need a concealer that conceals but doesn't cake up and doesn't dry out my skin. So I'll be really curious on giving this one a try in an upcoming video. And that was $30. Huda Beauty Easy Blur Primer, $29. I'm using this today and I'm really happy with it so far because it really has blurred the texture on my skin and the larger pores and everything. So I'm excited about this. So very cool. Thanks, Huda Beauty. And that was $29. Morphe Sunsetter SPF 30 Setting Spray. And I love this, more SPF. I just love that in a product. Let's give this a try. Ooh. I like it that it's not a water gun to the face. It's a fine, fine mist. So, but I'm really super excited that this is a setting spray with SPF. So way to go, Morphe. And the Morphe setting spray was $18. Take two. Fenty Skin Thick and Smooth Rich Peptide Eye Cream, $42. This is super nice. I just tried this last night on my under eyes and it just really just soaked right in there, and they're so plump and moist. It's got hyaluronic acid in it and other peptides, so I'm just super excited about this one. It's really nice. I love Fenty products. I love Fenty Skin. It's just really good quality products. Tarte Glamazon Amazonian Clay Eyeshadow Palette, $47. And look at all these beautiful shades. Aren't they absolutely gorgeous? And they also blend well together. I got them on today. Pretty nice. So excited. And so I did use the highlighter and the contour there as well. So it's a nice all-purpose face powder, which I really like. The total retail price of the IPSY box is $181. Well, both boxes really did hit it out of the ballpark this time around. I'm really happy with the Allure box, with all the beautiful products in there, and as well as in the IPSY box. I think the IPSY box did edge forward a little bit more so than the Allure box, but I'm really happy with the Allure box. Sometimes I'm disappointed in the products, but I'm really happy. I think they did a really great job of mixing in products. So anyway, let me know your comments, which one you think won, and the products that you'd like to see in an upcoming video. And as always, I love you so, so much. Thank you so much for watching my channel, for giving me encouragement. That just means the world to me to have you watch my videos. So wherever you are in the world, sending you loads of hugs and love and kisses, and I will see you next week, Monday at 4. So have a great week. Bye-bye.